I'm so excited to dive into my set apart subscription box with you guys. First, there's a handwritten note which talks about supporting small businesses. I got a cute little mist that smells so good. I'm gonna be smelling that every day. I love that it comes with a little packaging bag so I can ship off a gift out of the box if I wanted to. These handmade earrings by Rita are so beautiful. I'm definitely giving these as a gift to somebody on my list. I like that each one is handmade and each one is unique. So beautiful. I love them. Next up is this cute little candle from Forest Offerings. I already have one. If you guys saw my little video, I've been burning it since December 1st and it smells amazing. It smells just like a Christmas tree. I could give this as a gift, but I won't because I love it, so I'm keeping it. Then I have this cute little bag of tea, which is a winter chai, and if anybody knows me, I have chai tea every day, so I'll be drinking that. This is a cute wrap skirt, which is a signature from Set Apart. It's reversible, can be worn multiple ways. I made a little video of how to wear this skirt as well and how to put it on. I also got a face mask with a matching head wrap, which is so cute. I have the perfect person in mind of who I can gift this to. I love tying hair wraps. I also made a tutorial video of this one as well, and you guys can check out how to tie that. Last but not least, I got a print version, but you guys will be getting a link when you subscribe to your box, which has just a little bit of information about the box, about the creator of the box, my cute little mom, and about the company. And what I love about this is that it'll be different every time. This one has a lot of different boss ladies in it. Like here you see Shakira with her amazing earring. That's me. I did a lot of the tutorials and videos that you guys will be getting a link to on how to wear and style some of these products. This is Forest Offering. She does the candles and has many other scents, but they're amazing and smell so good. This is Christia. She is a yoga instructor and does Pilates, and she has a little video for you guys to work out to. And what I love about this box is that you can either keep the items in it or give it as a gift, which is why it comes with that little bag so you can ship it off as a present. And that is a Set Apart box. It's so many items for such a great price. So be sure to subscribe and get yours today. Happy holidays!